Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and right now I'm in a trade to the upside here. Um, I'm only on one contract, so if I get a pullback here, I may enter another contract. But uh, so I'm taking a trade in this area right here. Price is bouncing. Like I said, we could get a pullback here. I'm looking for price to come out and take out the 4702.5 area, and price is pushing higher. So we'll see if we can get a pullback. So let me go ahead and mark my area here. Put it right there. All right, if we get a pullback here, let's see, price is, okay, so bear with me guys. I'm looking for, um, I may kind of scale in with, with the contract here, price pulls back, but only got in with one contract so far because I saw price pull into the lower portion of this high volume area where there was support at. So I'm taking a trade and price keeps pushing higher. Okay, so um, yeah, price is going to have to break some areas to the upside here if it wants to continue pushing higher. So, um, so what we have is we haven't. Oh, hold on one second. Let me see something. Let me see one thing, guys. We have an area of liquidity sitting right here, the tops here. Okay, so we have to be mindful of that area there, and there's a possibility price could push back up here. I mean, there's a strong possibility there is money resting right here in the market in this area where you see this M sitting at. Um, so I'm just kind of waiting to see what price is going to do. I think it's going to push higher. It should. Let's see. Pulling back right now. Yeah, it's pulling back. It's bouncing at this high volume area right here. So be careful right here. Um, hmm. Yeah, market's pulling back as I expected it would. It's okay. Okay. Yep. So 69.25. I'll take one contract here. Should break this area, hopefully. Came right up to it to the tick. Hmm. Yeah, it's bouncing off of okay. Just got filled in the first contract. Um, okay. This is an area price can bounce at because we have areas of resistance right here. But I'm okay, price pulling back. I'm really hoping price to push on up here. Um, we have an area where there's liquidity sitting right here. There's money resting in the market right here where the market pushed up here and rejected this area right here turn back around. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, see, look at that. The market pulling back hard as it is. Ah, yeah, it's going to have to break some areas, I'm going to be honest, because yeah, there's some areas of resistance right here. So I should have took my profit on both contracts. Let's see. Yeah, let me go ahead and take profit here. Come on. There we go. All right, so I went ahead and took profit there. I did let the, that's fine. So I didn't play that one to the T like I wanted to. Today is what is today's date? The 19th? Yeah, the 19th. Friday. Okay, so um, I know that's not right. Uh, yeah, something's not right with my trade performance. Okay, all right. Showing only had 21 ticks on that trade there, but that can't be correct. Anyways, all right, so we'll keep moving on here. Well, anyways, price came back to an area down here that was an area of support sitting right here, this area right here, and price pulled back here. I noticed a rejection from here, which is the lower portion of a high volume area, which was a prior area where there was liquidity resting in the market, and I waited for price to pull back to that area. Excuse me, pull back to that area, and I traded off of that area going long. All right, so what I like to see price do, to be honest with you, if price can break 4,700 on a pullback, I may enter a long position. So we'll see. But right now, I was having a hard time breaking this area right here. But yeah, this is I'm trading the E-mini S&P 500 future. This is my live trading recorded session here, and okay, yeah, thank you guys for chiming in yesterday on the video and submitting or entering your comments on that video there. That was pretty cool. I appreciate that. Let's see here. Price pushed up here and it's pulling back. Let me see. It's actually pulling back to. Price has not broke this area pretty much. Let me see something. Yeah. Um. Okay. 71 on. Okay. Ah. Okay. Hold on a second here. Let's see something. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, the area right here. Okay. Yeah, I entered the trade too early. Let's see. Yeah, I'm early on this trade here. Guys, bear with me. I am early on this trade right here. Yeah, I'm early on this trade. A little early. Okay. All right. Put a contract there. Contract here. Get filled here on this trade here. Come on. Price can pull back. Mm. Hmm. Come on. Come on. Go up and take it out. Crap. Okay, there we go. Got filled. All right, good, 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 good. Um, all right, so there's my second trade there. Prices, I'm not sure what it's doing here. I want to see it. Hmm. Hmm. I want to see it take out this area right here, but it hasn't done it so far. It hasn't done it so far. That's what I'm waiting on. Hmm. All right, let's see. Hmm. But yeah, this is my live recorded session of me trading the mini S&P 500 futures, guys. And today's video, I want to talk more about my story. You know, of, where when I got started, which was 9 years ago, and I'll talk about that. Um, how I got into trading. I kind of discussed that in one of my prior videos, and what I was doing at the time before I actually started trading. So, I was no different. I was working a 9 to 5 job before I became profitable and successful trading. Um, I was working a 9 to 5 job, 8 to 5 job, and just trying to make ends meet, pay bills like everybody else, and thought it was okay, until I got burnt out and tired of doing what I was doing, and I said it's got to be a better way. So I didn't know anything about trading at first. I know about investments and people making money in the markets, buying stocks like and stuff like that, but that's about all I knew. And okay, so let's see here. Trying to figure out what the market is doing here. It's in a wedge, so it's moving kind of sideways. But um, yeah, it's moving sideways. Moving sideways. Moving sideways. All right. Moving sideways today. But yeah, I appreciate you guys, chiming in, leaving the comments down in the comment section about the different time frames you trade. I mean, the different types of time frames that you may trade. Whether it's the minute or range or and the different markets you guys trade. I appreciate that as well. It's interesting to know. Some of you guys trade different markets. Some of you trade, crypto or forex or um, the futures. That's cool. Nasdaq, Dow. So I appreciate that, guys. Um, you know, I'm not a swing trader or a position style trader, but you know, I like to trade during the day and be done with it. So yeah, let me know what you guys trade. I mean, not, excuse me, not what you trade, but um, do you do more day trading? You're a day trader, or do you do position or swing trading? You know, what do you guys do? Be interesting to hear. Everybody has a different uh, way of trading or whatever the case is. Because some of you may work full time, work during the day or not be able to trade during the day. So, you may be more swing style type traders to where, that fits your fits the way you get your time to be able to trade. More so, I should say. Okay, I'm going long here. I want price to take out the highs. So, do that. Let's see what we got here. Okay, let's see what happens here. Yeah, I'm going long. Um, Let me see here. Ooh, yeah, price can pull back. Let's see. Yeah, pull back. Hmm. Yeah, it could get price could have pulled back. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Come on, there we go. Hit it. Take it out. There we go. First contract. Come on. Ah, don't do that. Come on. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take out. There we go. All right, so successful in that trade there. That's my third trade, guys. I appreciate the um, market following through for me here. It may come up and take this high here out. So it needs to come up and take this area here out. But we got liquidity sitting up here. We got money resting right here. So I'm looking for price to break this area. And if it does, to continue it, with the continuation to the upside. So that'll be a plus. So that's what I'm waiting on. So yeah, my trading venture started 9 years ago, and I was working full-time job, guys, and probably like a lot of you guys are, that are starting out trading or learning to trade. And okay, so price is breaking this area now, um, which is good. So we can get a pullback. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I was working full time, and I got burnt out. I mean, honestly, I was really burnt out, guys. You know, was I worked that job for many years, and um, just a lot on my plate at a time, um, working in the office, coming home, bringing work home, and it was like constant, constant, constant. Like I didn't have any time for myself, and at the same time, I always knew I wanted to do something different and be able to have control of my own life, my own destiny, and um, just didn't know how I was going to do it. And I didn't know anything about the markets at the time, other than stocks or investing and things like that. But I wanted to be able to have control and do something to where I could do it every single day and love what I do, and not just buy stocks and let them do their thing, behind closed doors when the market's open or closed, whatever the case is, and just hold on to positions. I wanted to be able to control what I was doing every day and have my hands, be more hands on to everything that when I bought, when I sold. So, um, I was introduced to the markets through a family member that kind of showed me the ropes a little bit and taught me some things, and then I kind of branched out and learned some things of my own, and just continuously um, uh, you know broaden my mind frame, the understanding of the markets and how they move, and what moves the markets, those type of things, and so that's how I became successful trading. But it took me, like I said, 2 years to really fully understand, because I got confused, was doing things and not following the not following the plan. And but you know, financial freedom is a very is important, because being able to wake up every day, love what you do, and then be financially free to where you don't have any type of debt. That I think that's probably one thing that most people are consumed by is a lot of people are consumed by debt. They're trying to figure out how they can get out of it, and there's no quick rich scheme out here, and you have to bust your butt and tail to be able to start something and lay that foundation down that will allow you to continue to grow and be successful. And I wanted that, and most people are making ends meet, and not to say, when I say that, I mean they're able to afford what they can, afford a lifestyle, but at the end of the day, they don't have, not able to really enjoy life. Just being able to pay the bills and you know do a few things that they like to do, but being able to be financially free where you don't have any debt is a great feeling. Um, and the markets is something that people just don't talk about much, or you're not going to find the average Joe on the street teaching these type things. It's kind of a hidden, closed door, sidebar type conversation that you just have to be brought into the right crowd of people to be able to understand and really be able to be introduced to things like this, because there's a lot of moving parts to the markets and understanding. And this is how people become financially wealthy, I'd say. Um, and they sit at home and do it, or from their office or wherever, even on vacation, you still make money. So yeah, that's for me. It was, I was grinding and busting my butt working an 8 to 5 type job and bringing work home, and wasn't able to be able to enjoy much. And then I was turning right back around, getting some rest, getting up, doing the same thing every day, 5 days a week, consumed with a job that I didn't really, was just tiring. Um, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are probably, some of you guys are probably, probably putting out more energy than I did back then, and take my hats off to you guys, because when you're hungry and you really want to be able to find something that you enjoy, you're going to go to the end, to the depths of, right at the edge of the cliff, to really give it your all, to find that one thing that you're going to love to do, and you're going to put everything you have into it to make sure you can do it. Because, and then when you grab hold of it and you see that you're almost there, it fuels you even more. Some people are burning candles at both ends just to be able to get to where they want to be in life, and that's important. So, um, that's how I became a profitable trader, was taking step by step, knowing that if someone else can do this, then I know I could do it, type thing, and I did. It just took a little time, but I was able to do it. So, but once you learn the ropes and you learn, spend the time, I call it due diligence, to understand how the markets move and come up with a strategy or plan how to trade this puppy, this bad boy here, then you will be able to, the same strategy and rules that I trade off of every single day. You can trade in this particular market, the E-mini SP 500. You can trade any market doing this, hands down, no questions asked. I'm serious when I say that. Okay, so let's see here. Mm, Um, hmm, Market is pulling back hard. It's pulling back real hard. Hmm, yeah. Yeah. It's pulling back to an area of support. hmm Pulling back to an area of support, which is okay. Let's see what happens here. Market bounce here, and let's see. Okay. We're at the V pot, so anything can go here. All right. So the market is kind of stair stepping its way up, right? All right. So let's see what it's going to do here. Hmm. It's bouncing right here, which is fine. Lower portion of the high volume area. Man. All right. Okay. Go back up to the V pot. All right. I don't know if it's going to blast through this area or not. Ah. Hmm. All right. Let's see what happens here. Market can pull back. Yeah, I should have waited for close. All right, that's fine. Man, we got a high volume node right above us too. I didn't see that. I'm paying attention to 12 range. Okay. Let's see here. What is this bad boy trying to do? Yeah, it's pulling back. Crap. I didn't want to see this. This is what I didn't want to see. All right, let's see. Come on, break above. Come on. All right, it's breaking above now, so we should come up here and test these areas now. Hmm. We got this high volume, major high volume node right here. And 4700 is a round number. It's got to break that area. Shoot. Ah. Nope, 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 nope. Don't do that. Ah. Should have waited for the pullback in this area. Should have waited for the pullback to this area. I took my trade way too high up here. Come on. All right. So I'm going to take my first contract right here. Okay. Second one. Take it there. And the third one. 4703. Okay, I'll take it there. Leave it there. All right. I'm going to be right back, guys. Okay. So what do we have in here? We got one contract field. All right. Um, hmm. All right, so the market is just moving sideways, huh? Let's see. We should come up here and test this area. I'm not sure what the market is trying to do. Why it's just not just, why is it not wanting just to push higher? Yeah, should push up, should go ahead and push up there. Look at it. The crazy, crazy market. I don't know why it's not just blasting through it. Got the VPOC right here, like boom, go right back to it, boom, like a magnet. Drive me crazy. Look at it. This crazy market. Come on. Go ahead and take my second contract right here. If I can get filled here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, come on. Unbelievable. Dude, come on. Ugh. It's enough to drive you. Look at that. I don't like all this jerking. I'm gonna go ahead and take that second contract out there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the trade because I don't like all this jerking around. It's driving me nuts. And watch it come over here to my area right where I said 4702 3/4. It's probably gonna come up there. Look at it. Let's see if it goes up there. All right, luckily I got out that trade because the market's actually pulling back to the VPOC again. This is the danger about trading around the VPOC. You get this type of mess like this right here. I was expecting price to kind of push up here and test this area here, but so far not. So far it's not doing that. It's trading sideways. It's kind of stair stepping a little channel to the upside, so we'll see what it does. It's probably going to go up there and check this area, like I said. Um, mm, okay. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Not sure. It's kind of moving to a channel here, but uh, it's kind of wedging at the same time right here. So it's high volume area. So I preach. Well, I don't say preach, but what I say is I always take the trade from the lower end, the high volume area if you're going long. So right now we're kind of dead smack in the middle of this high volume area, and it's kind of a dangerous position to be in when you're trading. So I'm not going to do anything else right now. I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out here and get this uploaded to you guys, and you're probably watching it now. But yeah, I just wanted to, uh, put another video out there of my live recorded session here, trading even the S&P 500, as well as talk a little bit about my, my story, how I went from becoming, being from working as a full-time employee to trading full-time, and being successful in the markets pretty much. Look at it now, it's probably, I'm sure at some point it's probably going to come up here and test this area. Let me check one thing right quick. Hmm. Yeah. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Mm. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the market comes up here and breaks this area right here, guys. It's going up. It's going to come up here and test this area of liquidity sitting right here. So, but right now we're kind of in a wedge trading sideways. So, all right, so we're coming back down to an area. This area of support down here again. Market's not trying to push up higher, so we could break lower. So, see what happens. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video right here out. Hey, I mean, I'd like to hear from some of you guys as well. Let me know what are you trading full time? Are you trading part time? Either way is good. It doesn't really matter. What's some of the are you working full time right now and trading part time on the side? Are you doing both? Maybe full time trading and full time working a job, because you still can do that. It just depends. You could actually be working a full-time job and trading in the evening, say the Asian session, maybe even the London session in the early part of the morning, or you could actually work in the second and third shift and then coming home and trading the NY session in the morning. So I'd like to hear from you guys and see what you actually do, part-time, full-time, and what you're doing. All right, guys, I'm going to close the video here out. I hope you guys found this video informational today and some value out of it. And I'm going to get it uploaded here and to you guys. And appreciate everyone following the channel and subscribing. Thank you, subs that have already subscribed. If this is your first time watching one of the videos, hey, take the time to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Um, you know, It's nothing to lose. I mean, you can follow the my live recorded sessions here. Not many people are probably recording the sessions and uploading them. I mean, I do it because I think some people may find value, like I said, out of it. So, I'd love to have you as a subscriber to the channel. See you guys in the next video if you're trading. Today is Friday, so be safe in the markets. We have the weekend coming up, so be safe in the markets if you're trading, guys. And I'll see you guys. All right, guys, I'm trading a little scalp here. Yeah, trading a little scalp here. Back up to the upside here. Just a little follow up on one additional part of the video here. Looking to get filled right here. Bounced, didn't it? Okay. Okay. Come on. Just a little follow up here. Add on to the video. I'll take another trade here for a scalp. Quick little scalp here. Okay, there we go. Filled, successful. All right, pull back up to the VPOC, but just notice some rejection down here at the bottom. Yeah, at this area right here of where they would support at. So lower portion of the high volume area. In the next video, take care and goodbye.